In this tutorial, you'll learn how to blur a specific part of a video using the CapCut editing app. Whether it's a face, a license plate, or other sensitive information, this process is simple and works for both iOS and Android. Start by opening the CapCut app and importing the video you want to edit. For instance, if you want to blur a license plate, like in this example, the first step is to tap on the iOS application and choose Video Fs. Navigate to the lens section and find the blur effect. If it's not visible, check other sections within video effects. Once located, apply the basic blur effect to the video. This will blur the entire video, which is the first step. Next, return to the main screen and tap on Overlay. Select Add Overlay and import the same video again. The overlay video might appear smaller than the original frame, so zoom in to adjust it to fit the frame. With the overlay selected, scroll down to find the mask option and choose a shape such as a rectangle or circle for the mask. Adjust the size and position of the mask to cover the area you want blurred. Tap the invert button to isolate the blurred area while keeping the rest of the video clear. To ensure the blur moves with your video, use keyframes. Start at the beginning of the video, tap the keyframe button, and adjust the mask as needed. Move the video frame by frame, repositioning the mask and adding keyframes wherever necessary. Repeat this process for the entire video to ensure the blur stays on target. Once you finish, review your edits to confirm everything is aligned. That's it. You've successfully blurred a part of your video using CapCut.